Hi, welcome to My Cute Tunes. Today we're going to draw Vampirina. So grab your marker and follow along with me. First up, right in the middle of the page, we're going to draw a nose. So we're going to draw a little butter nose. Right next to the nose, you're going to draw two little curved lines, both sides of the nose, going down. And then on top, you're going to make it nice and round and connect it to the lower line. Nice and round on top, and then connect it to the lower line. And right above there, we can draw the eyelashes. I'm just going to draw 3 little eyelashes sticking out. And on this side, let's draw 3 eyelashes as well, curving around the eye. Now time for the pupils. I'm going to draw 2 pupils, light reflections, as we always do. And then the irises. There's one, and there's the other. Let's color the pupils and the eyelashes in. Now right below the nose, you're going to draw a little smile. And cheeks, 2 little cheeks, both sides. And then from the eyelashes downwards, we're going to draw the jawline. And curve it up to the other eyelash. Right on top, we're going to draw the eyebrows. I'm going to draw the lower eyebrow first, and then on top, connect it. Lower eyebrow, on top connected, and let's fill the eyebrows in. Now right above, we're going to draw the forehead. So right here in the middle, I'm going to make it nice and round, and I'm going to curve it around, connect it to the eyelash. Curve it around, connect it to the eyelash as well. And now from outwards, we can draw the ears. Little pointy ears. There's one, and there's the other one. Now we can draw the top of the head. So I'm going to start on this side, and I'm going to make it nice and round. And then on top of that, little bands for her ponytails. There's one, and there's the other. And then from out there, we can draw the ponytail. And maybe we can do 1 ear below, connecting like that. Now on this side, we're going to do the same thing. So I'm going to start here at the bottom first. And I'm just going to try to copy this ponytail. And then the top. Now we're going to draw the shoulders. I'm going to draw 2 lines, both sides going out, and I'm going to stop right there. Then from here, I'm going to draw a dress. And I'm going to do the same on the other side as well. And now I'm just going to connect these lines with And now we're going to draw the rest of the sleeve. And you're going to draw another sleeve on this side as well. For her arm, I'm just going to draw a little arm, make it round, connect it. On this side, I'm going to do the same thing, connect it. And just a little fold there for her arm on the inside. And now we're going to draw the fingers. There's 1 finger, 2, 3 fingers. We're going to do the same on this side, 1, 2, 3 fingers. And I'm just going to draw a little glove on top there, where fingers are sticking out of. Now we're going to draw the legs. And I'm going to draw a little knee sticking out and a leg like that. On this side, we're going to do the same thing. And you're going to draw just a leg. And now for her boot, connect it. And then we're going to draw a boot, a little square. And on this side, do the same thing as well. And now for the boot itself. I'm going to go down, make it nice and round, like this. And on the inside, I'm going to do the same thing. So, I'm first going to start on the outside, make it nice and round. I'm going to copy that, almost like a number 6. And I'm going to bring the line straight up, and maybe socks sticking out there as well. And now we can go to the little textures inside. So first she's got a necklace, and you know, draw a little necklace with a few little dots going in. And now we're going to draw sort of a spider web. We're going to draw a spider web like this. Make it nice and round. Nice and round. There. And now on this side, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to copy this texture or this pattern up, all the way up. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. And then on top, we're going to draw a bigger one, like this. And then in the middle, we're going to draw another. And we're just going to copy them so they look about the same. Great, and there's Vampirina. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure Vampirina will look great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.